Welcome to our dear guest of honor 2019, the Royal Dutch Mint. 1, 2, 3. There you go.
I'm lucky enough to be here with Alice from the Royal Dutch Mint, and she's going to tell me a little bit about what's going on here at the booth for this World Money Fair.
Yes.
Take it away.
So, welcome in our booth. This is from the Royal Dutch Mint. We're guest of honor this year. We had the ceremonial strike of our penny.
During the ceremonial strike for the penny, I was recording a live video for the Coin Catcher's Facebook page and did not notice that my other camera had stopped recording. So unfortunately, this is the only footage that I have of the first strike of the penny. Fail on my part. This penny is just a special for this World Money Fair.
For this World Money Fair, but if we left some, they're in our web shop.
Okay, if people are lucky and they're not all sold out at the show, they will be able to get them online.
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
Fingers crossed.
Yes. And we have, as we have every year, the World Money Fair set.
How many each day are you selling?
200 per day.
Around,
less,
yeah.
Yes.
You've got 500, is that correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Right.
And that's very exciting. I have to say, I love how you have kept some for each day of the show. I think that's fair for the general public who want to continue collecting this particular set.
That's why we do it.
It's really nice. It's really, and it's a nice set.
Yeah. And what's very special now, if you buy something in our booth, then you get the voucher for the waffles.
I've had the waffles. I've had that. They're very, very yummy.
Yes.
Very yummy.
You can see it in the video, but there's a lot of stroopwafel smell here.
It does smell sweet, actually. The best smelling booth at the show. You've been to a lot of World Money Fairs. How does this rate for you? It's probably the most exciting because you're guest of honor.
It's guest of honor. It's a big honor to be here. We have a nice, bigger booth. So
I love the coin press. That's my favorite thing about it. I'm going to have to go.
It's very impressive, isn't it?
It's so great.
And normally we use it when we have a ceremonial strike for our commemorative coins, when we are on location.
And royalties use that press, haven't they?
As well. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Welcome you all, but also our launching partners, Mint Jewel Trading and Schulman. Gentlemen, welcome to the set here. And also welcome to our honorary guest who is going to perform the first ceremonial strike of the Lion Dollar 2018, Mr. John Cameron of the United States Mint. Thank you for joining us, John. I know you spent half the day yesterday in the gym to make sure that this is going to work.
For this first strike, I was front row and centre with my camera ready. That was until I got called away by a colleague and missed the whole thing. Fail again. You're probably one of 5 this year to have used that trick.
So
How does that make you feel?
it's such an honor to be invited by the Dutch Mint to participate and then to be able to use press that has been used for centuries. The United States Mint celebrated its 225th anniversary. We're still young in the industry, but to be able to reach out and touch history and be able to make such a beautiful point is quite unique.
So your guest of honor is your guest of honor.
Right.
How's it feeling to get to honor the World Money Fair?
Well, it's quite important for us because we all know that the Royal Dutch Mint came out of privatization. For that, we are back now, and this is full swing with a new team, but also with a lot of enthusiasm to make sure that it will work. And again, we're very happy that John has accepted the invitation from us to do the ceremonial strike today of the Lion Dollar, which is a very important coin for us as well, which also stipulates the relationship that we already have with the United States as a trade partner. And again, having someone from the senior management of the US Mint perform the ceremonial first strike is truly an honor for us.
You've done very well. We were just commenting on your guns before. Looking good. You're saying it's working out.
He did work out. Check it.
Checking, making sure.
They had to be the right touch.
Exactly, the right gentle enough.
Oh yeah.
Now, I was just talking about this floor before as well, because I find this amazing, the logistics that come with bringing a press of this size to a fair. You haven't brought it to this fair before.
No.
First time it's been here at the World Money Fair. first time that John's used it.
Yep.
It's a lot of fun.
That also makes it kind of unique because it has, like you rightfully explained, it has some limitations to it. It's very heavy.
Is it nearly 3 tons?
Yeah. So not on every location you can use this press. So again, that also gives the explanation why we use it, let's say, not too many times. And again, I think it's a fine piece of artwork to deliver such quality coins that it's minted today. So it's absolutely unbelievable.
When you actually look at this and look at that press, it's amazing.
Oh yeah,
just the precision of pressing. Absolutely.
But again, it's the quality of the one who mints it. So the gentle touch does the magic.
So other collectors will be able to get coins just as nice, but not as nice.
Will be a bit different.
John won't be doing that.
Yeah, no, I think John will fly back one day to Washington.
Yes.
Will not stay with us in Utrecht, so
No. Because
he has a unique...
Maybe to Fort Knox.
Okay, alright.
We're very excited to be here at the World Money Fair in 2018 in Berlin with the guests of honor, the Royal Dutch Mint. And we're excited to celebrate and release the second of a series of Lion Dollar restrikes. This is a coin that's circulated throughout the world. It's got a beautiful design, and I'll let Andrew explain a little bit about the design.
So this is the second year of the project, again working together with Royal Dutch Mint, Trading, and Schulman, myself. And as you see, the design changes here as we go to the province of Zeeland. Last year was struck in Utrecht, and the design changed quite a bit here. As you can see, it is the lion emerging from the waves. This goes back to Dutch history of building dikes, and of course always battling the water. So hence the lion is resting out of the waves and the water. And of course, Zeeland was also where we get the name from, New Zealand, which also the Dutch discovered. Again, we try to keep this a very exclusive product. We kept the mentions very low. And we're very, very excited to launch this year.
Thank you very much for talking with me and letting me in your booth once again. I think I've been hanging out here for most of the show. I'm having a lot of fun. And I hope the rest of the show goes well for you. Thanks. Good luck. During the filming of this video, I missed strikes rather than filming first strikes and pressed off when I should have pressed on. Now I could all say this was because of Jack, but those of you that knew me before I had small change, you will know this simply is not true. Either way, it was great to spend so much time with this year's guest of honour and meet so many staff members from the Dutch Mint. I look forward to seeing them all again in the Netherlands for their open day on June 9th. Cheers, bye. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comments section, check out some other videos, and be sure to follow the Coin Couch on Instagram and Facebook.